Eda Ari wayii qaba Ari narraa galchitan eda aaraa buleeyyu.
Akkasii qoricha taane uummanni keenya wal nyaataa bula. Yeroo wal nyaataa bule gadaba
Ara barumsi
barnoota kennee bohaarsee qabbinne. Nama asirratti
Ara namni keenya barumsa jalaa qaba. Namni keenya barumsa baay'ee jalaa qaba argee jira. Baay'ee nama fayyadaar tamuu be. Baay'ee tokko nama fayyadaar. Maal goonaa barannaa yeroo akkanaanu. Ara bilaasha daftara finne mana barumsaa deemne. Saamee katti barumsi keessan ganama subisii maal godhaa wanni deema gola hambaa deemee gola oofisa.
Ijoolleen ergasii gaarii barataa turte amma immoo barumsa diddee akka tokko taanaan irra deebiinee galee amma sa'aatii lamaan dura barsiiseera. Ammas irra deebisee barsiisaara.
Ara sa'aatii nu godhimu.
Okay. New student is new blind. New head. I need new student. All the student is sleeping. Bye bye. Hi Jupiter. Mute your guest. Hi Jupiter.
Hi teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
From Oromia,
Where living is this time?
UK.
How am I living in the world?
28.
What's the meaning of chap?
Ready Adam, follow now Davis.
Reetii si'a nyaattu kuduraa isaatiin rarra'eeti. Gaa dooma. Fooloo jedhi ingiliffama baratta teessee kanama. Fooloo jedhi sana deemi. Foon kee haa nyaatamu. Hi, me, Amor.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
Where are you from?
Japan.
Where living is this time?
India.
How am I living in the world?
120.
What's the meaning of chap?
Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie Chaplin, Doma, Ngaras. Oh, don't say Charlie Chaplin. Cut. Hi, Farid.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
Good. I'm fine.
Please minus your sound.
Okay.
This is last question.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Where are you living in this time? Where living in this time?
Adama.
How am I living in the world?
Now 120.
What's the meaning of chap?
Chop? Chappy or chop?
I teacher or you teacher? Doma. Chapan is the chap is samubo. Domiti. Hi from Sa. Chappy or chap?
Hi teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
From Canada.
Where living in this time?
Canada.
How living is it in the world?
23.
What?
23.
What's the meaning of chap?
Barsiisaa maxxaaxirii tokko.
Ati hin baratin yoomiyyuu doomicha eegeen qabne godolo go waa'ee barsiisa godhachi godhi waa'ee barsiisa hamadhu teesseen baratini dooma. Hi Tamam.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
From Ethiopia
Where are you living in this time?
and Egypt.
How am I living in the world?
26.
What's the meaning of chap?
Rakasa yookaan boqonnaa.
Rakatiati dooma eegee qabdu kottee duudaa go waslaata. Your elephant crocodile. Hi Maki.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
Hi, teacher. I'm fine.
Where are you from?
From Romeo.
Where are you living in this time?
Dubai.
How much living in the world?
17.
What's the meaning of chap?
Chapstick? Yeah, chapstick.
Kana bette ka chapstick ije keetti dibadhu dooma. You understand chapstick? Sleeping chapstick. Walking chapstick. Running chapstick. All chapstick. Abu chapstick ije keetti dibam. Doomitti wasla. I haven't any students after today. Okay.
Ade garaa kiyya yaa rabbii kiyya du'e wallaahi kolfaan du'e. Wallaahi kolfaan du'e waan qara'ee dagadhe bakka waan qara'ee dagadhee jiru. Orang balkaaba waan qara'ee dagadhe bakka waan ganama subii qara'ee makki irra dagadhe bakka chappis dingiisiin jennaan dagadhe. Eda aarii wayii qabaa yoo aariin irraa galchitan eda aaraa buleeyyuu.
Akkasii qoricha taane uummanni keenya wal nyaataa bula. Yeroo wal nyaataa bule gadaba
Ara barumsi
barnoota kennee bohaarsee kenne. Nama asirratti
Ara namni keenya barumsa jalaa qaba. Namni keenya barumsa baay'ee jalaa qaba argee jiraan. Baay'ee nama fayyadaa artamuu be. Baay'ee tokko nama fayyadaa arta. Maal goonaa barannaa yeroo eega akkanaanu. Ara bilaasha daftara finne mana barumsaa deemne.
Abshiraan nan jira.
Sa'a meeqatti barumsi keessan ganama subisii maal godhaa wanni deema gola hambaa deemee gola oo'isa.
Ijoolleen ergasii gaarii barataa turte amma immoo barumsa diddee akka tokko taanaan irra deebiinee galee amma laa sa'aatii lamaan dura barsiiseera. Ammas irra deebiseen barsiisaa.
Ara sa'aatii nu godhi mubee kiyyan barannaa rakkoo hin qabu maal godhaa birrii kaballee birrii mootummaa wanni kabalaa jirra bar.
Ayyee kanas akkas taanaan gaaffii lama tokko siin gaafadhuure. Aduma eegalaaka maal abbaasaa?
Gaaffii osoo hin baratiin nan gaafatiin kaa'anii osoo hin baratiin jechaan awwala barumsa keessan laalee
lakkoo qabu harki caalaansaa osoo hin baratiin adamamaa raamu kan gad darbatamu kun harki caalaansaa osoo hin baratiin gadi ta'eef lakkoo qabu xaqlaallaa uqatiidha kan xaqlaallaa uqati.
Xaqlaallaa uqatiin maayini xaqlaallaa uqatiin akkanumaan osoo hin baratiin waa deebisanii.
Barumsa walii galaa barumsa walii galaati rakkoon qabu yaalaan.
Amaariffa.
Mubee aan kaseen nagaa si gaafachuuf.
Bulloo mi'oot.
Nagaa si gaafachuuf.
Nagaa. Eega kabajee dhaluma inaanii eegeraaf taasisee deemte ijoollee argaa jirtu dhaluma inni taa'u. Haay sheekaa.
Maal jetta mubee?
Kabaja keessatti dhaluma inaanii. How are you?
Hi, Mubei.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you
I'm
from?
fine.
Where are you from?
From Pimpine.
Where living is this time?
Dubai.
How much living is old?
50.
What's the meaning of chap?
Chapnezing.
Kalas Shekha. Dalbatan Sanitu. Sindalbachu Nando. Of more than boy.
Yeah, Mbwa. Ubibwa, yeah.
Go. I'm sorry. Go. I'm sorry. Go. No, my student. Don't see after today. Okay? Hi, Mia.
Hi, Professor.
What?
Hi, Mube.
Hey, hi. How
Hi.
are you?
I'm
Mute
fine.
your mouth and mute your guests. Where are you from? How are you?
I'm good.
Don't say good. Don't say good. Don't say good. Gangala Dulakit. Level. Don't say good. What's the meaning of good? What's that? Hi, Soreti.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Oromia,
We're living in this time.
USA.
How much living in the world?
46. I'm very nice. Can I ask a question? Okay, never mind.
You crazy?
46.
I question, you answer. Shut
Okay.
your mouth and listen to me. I question, you answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
How am I living in this time, in this world?
47.
What's the meaning of chap?
Chap is when abamina ko bekan na
Bakkee bulii magadi bayti.
bisan.
Go,
Hidin
go,
ko gogoge.
go. Xoosi keetiin mucaa miskiinii gadi darbatame. Bakka kaanitti hafu doomicha eegee hin qabne. Hi, Saida.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
From Ethiopia,
Where living in this time?
Dubai.
How much living in the world?
22.
What? 22. What's the meaning of chap?
Job is I miss you. I love you.
Don't love me. Love your life, love your work, love your teacher, love your... You say I love you? I am sorry. Hi, Faru.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uganda,
Where living in this time?
Burayu.
What? How much living in the world?
29.
Where living? Okay, 29. Okay. What's the meaning of chap?
Mube sinjalada.
Jaljalsa jallat waslata. I am teacher only. No love. No justice, no love. No gubbo, no jinni, no shaitan. This is I burning from you learning, okay? What's that? Don't say Sinjalata. Shut your mouth. All my students, mute your guest and mute your mouse. This is school, my school. Okay. Hi, Jalali.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Where are you from?
Dubai.
Where are you living in this time?
I'm joking.
What? John Jisia ko want to teach warada ko doma. Hi, Hamdi.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Where are you from?
I come from Ethiopia.
Where are you living in this time?
In Haramaya.
How am I living in the world?
Almost 30.
Don't say another talking.
30.
Maya love, follow back me and I learning Oromic language, okay? By Afan Oromo. What do you say?
30.
What's the meaning of chap?
Behas.
Doma biggest agangal chupa. Ilagangal tajir ta domicha. Ege kabtu waslata. Walmata. Okay. Hi, Damme.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, Dobby. Okay, I try after one question. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm so good. Kadal gui. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. So good. Doma. Don't say good. Hi, Reddy.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
From Madagascar.
Where are you living this time?
Me already.
Somalia.
Mute. Dobby. I say Dobby.
Sorry, teacher.
Don't say sorry. Mute. I say mute. Mute. By work, okay? No by talk. How am I living in the world?
35.
What's the meaning of chap?
Dunkoro barsiisa jedhoko jechuudha.
Donkoro makan yoomiyyuu barachuutti hin qabne. Dooma, elephant. Okay? I am sorry for learning this student. I am sorry. Mute. Mute your mouse. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Hi,
How are
teacher.
you?
Good.
Mute.
It's not me. أنا متي خليني تبغى
Buka mute. How are you? Fine. Don't say fine. I am fine.
I am fine, my nigga.
Where are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Where living in this time?
Mogadishu.
How much living in the world?
35.
What's the meaning of chap?
Can you spell for me? Chap.
C-H-A-P. This word is a verb. C-H-A-P. Chap.
Can I explain Afan Oromo or English?
Afan Oromo.
Hallayyaa seeni jechuudha.
Hallayyaa seeni. Hallayyaa seeni. Inshallah. Doomicha. Kottee sagali. Go. Doomi. I be sleeping. No, this school kangaroo form. Okay, this is school. Go. Hi, Anwar.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine.
Where living in this time?
Ukraine.
How much living in the world?
40.
14 or 40?
14.
Underage or overage?
Average.
What's the meaning of chap?
What?
Mahdi, mute your guests. Please mute your guests and your mouse. Go. I say mute your guest. You need what? You need what? What's the meaning of chap?
Chap. No understand, chap. Teacher, change question.
Okay? Understand?